Good afternoon, guys. It's Aaron from Pro FX Options. It's the 18th of January. It's 12 minutes past 1, and you can see here my live account. The balance is £2,605. First trade of the day, I'll be risking a total of £78, and I'll be using my system-based strategy to execute my trades today. Okay, so it's 21 minutes past 1, about 10 minutes since I've been sitting down, and I'm going to take some call options out on the Aussie dollar. So there, we're in. I've risked a total of £78, and if I am successful, I profit £67. Okay, you can see the deadline time and the expiration time here. So I need price to stay above that green line. That's my entry price, the strike price. By the time it gets to that red line. So I have a total of about 22 seconds left in this trade, and you can see a nice jump up in price. It's one of the good things about this strategy. Catches these market moves just about before they happen. So that's one of the reasons why I do love this strategy. I don't have to wait too long. And yeah, so this one's just coming in now. Hopefully I profit on this. Okay, so there we go, £67 profited. I'm now going to change my risk size on all my charts and then go back to my screens and start looking for my next trade. It's now 28 minutes past 1. My second trade of the day is just about setting up. This time I'll be trading on the euro pound, and I'll be taking put options on this trade. You can also see I've risked slightly more in this trade. I've risked a total of £140. That's the maximum I can lose if I am unsuccessful. However, if I am correct and I am successful in this trade, I would have profited £121. I'm using a very strict risk management strategy, one that Pro FX Options has provided me and that I use day in, day out. I also need to be careful. At 1:30, there's some important news coming out. So I need to just make sure I'm away from the market at that time so I don't get caught up in any crazy market moves or spikes or something that can maybe diminish my account as such. Okay, so you can see this trade just about coming in. It's very tight, but it's still below that strike price regardless of how far away. Okay, so I've profited £121. I'm now going to look for my next trade and hopefully call it a day, okay, after my third winning trade. So let's go and take a look. Okay, so I'm going back to the Aussie dollar for my third trade of the day. You can see it's 20 minutes to 2, so that's 1:41 precisely. And this time I'm taking out put options, so I'm pressing the red button. And I'm just about to, there we go. So I'm now in. You can see this time I've risked more. I'm risking £253 for a potential payout of £220. I also want to show you guys the strategy I'm using. I'll do that after this trade has come in, depending on the result. As 18 seconds left till this trade expires. I'm using a very strict risk management strategy to compound my winners, and I will also show you the total profits for the day, so just stay tuned. And you can also, after this video, see another trading video I've done. The link will be in the description, but for this trade I've just profited £220, so that's me now done for the day. I've taken my 3 winners, and let's show you guys the strategy I'm using to take these trades. So let me just pull up my trading history. You can see here my 3 winners, but let's bring across the chart I'm using to place these trades. This here is the Aussie dollar, okay, and you can see here the last trade I took, marked by the red zone. But let's dive back into my trading history. You can see I started my first trade at 1:20 and finished at 2. Okay, my first profit of £67 and finishing on £220. My total profit is £409 for the 18th of January. It's Aaron from Pro FX Options. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel and I look forward to seeing you guys soon.